Pennsylvanians carrying legal medical marijuana cards are getting arrested just for having the card.
Seth Kaplan tells us why and what's being done to change that.
I use the medical marijuana program for my chronic pain.
Danica Weber, one of nearly a million Pennsylvanians carrying cards like this one. In May 2021, she was in a car accident.
When the state troopers came onto the scene, they treated it as a DUI because I use my medical ID as an ID.
I wanted to make sure I understood correctly.
It's not as though he had any reason to suspect that you were driving impaired, other than that you were carrying this.
Yeah, no, the officer immediately took my medical marijuana card and proceeded as a DUI.
She lost her license for a year.
It was extremely hard. My business slowed down. Weber's Cleaning Services, it's a cleaning company. And it slowed down for that year of fighting this case because, you know, you don't want to go behind a wheel. You don't want to put yourself at risk when you're going through these steps of the justice system.
Even though she says she had done nothing wrong.
We absolutely have to fix this.
And State Senator Camera Bartolotta says this bill would do that if it passes, just as with alcohol.
You have to prove proof of impairment to get a DUI.
We asked Mothers Against Drunk Driving, MAD, whether the organization has any thoughts about the bill. The spokeswoman told us MAD believes anyone impaired by marijuana or any other drug should be held accountable, but MAD agrees with the proposal that possessing a medical marijuana card should not be the only reason someone is arrested for impaired driving. Bartolotta said that's all this bill is about.
If you are driving impaired, you will suffer the consequences as greatly as the law will provide, because we don't want anyone driving impaired.
And if you are feeling like you are impaired, they're a friend, family member, there's Ubers, there's cabs, you know, do not put yourself at risk for something that it's just not worth it.
Further piece of advice until this is all straightened out here: if a cop does pull you over and you use medical marijuana, show your driver's license, not your medical marijuana ID card. In Harrisburg, Seth Kaplan, KDKA News.